Welcome back. We had a celebrity sighting in Bakersfield this morning, but there was nothing glitzy or trivial about it. Actor Penn was in town on behalf of his nonprofit to snip the ribbon on a new free-of-charge COVID-19 testing center. Our Robert Price was there.
Testing, testing, testing. That's the one thing we keep hearing. We need to stop COVID-19 testing. And now we have it here at the Richard Prado Senior Center. Free testing starting Tuesday. Bringing relief into communities around the entire Western Hemisphere, paying special attention to the elderly and the poor. One such place is East Bakersfield. The Prado Center on Mount Vernon Avenue, just south of Bernard, is the 10th such testing site, give or take, that Penn's organization has helped open.
My biggest hope, and I know that this is a common thought, is that we learn to pay attention to science on all levels and in every way that it's going to be. COVID-19 is not our existential threat, but we have existential threats, and in particular climate poverty. And what we are seeing with COVID is in the latter category a particular sighting on those disadvantaged. And for us to be Americans, if we're not going to look out for the disadvantaged and by extension ourselves, then we're losing track of what America's based on.
Penn says he hasn't been paying attention to how others in the movie business might be waiting out this pandemic. All he knows is he's pitching in and doing his part, something he says everyone can and should be doing.
Really starts with the quarantining, because that's a commitment all its own. And when you talk about successful people in the movie business, you know, that's a much easier job to quarantine when you have a nice home and some money in the bank, which a lot of people don't have. So whether you're operating test sites or just being diligent in quarantining, taking care of your family and yourself, it's all exactly the same thing, and it's called citizenship.
Kern County Supervisor Letitia Perez helped coordinate Penn's involvement in the development of the Prado Center testing site, one of 3 such sites opening in Kern County this week.
This is a completely free testing site. Go onto the website. You can get through it through the county website. Make your appointment, get registered, and come on in. It's completely free. You will get your results in record time. It's a CDC high standard test. Get you some certainty and use our science to get us back to work.
Penn didn't just bring his celebrity status here to Bakersfield to kick off this testing center. He brought passion, and it was rubbing off on everybody here. For 17 News, Robert Price.
And a footnote here, first responders were the first to be tested today at the Prado Senior Center. The general public will be able to get tested tomorrow from 8 a.m. until 2 p.m., but you must make a reservation ahead of time. And to do that, you can visit the website on your screen. It is projectbaseline.com.